Hello, this is a post-activity discussion on nomenclature. This is the first figure given last time. Everyone was able to identify the longest chain, which consists of 7 carbons. So it's a heptane. The next thing to do is to assign numbers to the carbons in the chain, beginning from the end closest to the first branch. So which end is closest to the first branch? The left end or the right end? So it's the left end. So you start numbering. This will be carbon number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the side chains are this and the other one. Okay, so the side chain is a methyl group in carbon number 3 and this group. Okay, many were not able to identify this group. This is not just a propyl group, but this is an isopropyl. This is the propyl group. The attachment is at the end. But with isopropyl, the attachment is in the middle. Okay, so it is a heptane, 7 carbon. You have a methyl group in carbon number 3, and you have an isopropyl group. So according to the alphabetical order, I comes before M. So it's going to be named as 4-isopropyl 3-methyl heptane. This is the second figure. Not everybody was able to identify the longest chain. Sometimes the longest chain is not obvious, but you have to remember that the longest chain consists of all carbon-to-carbon continuous chain. The longest chain here is 10 carbons. So what are these? Itong carbon na to at ito. Okay. Longest carbon to carbon to carbon to carbon to carbon continuous chain. The end where the numbering should start is where? The right end or the left end? Which is the closest to the first branch? Etong end na to, ito yung branch, or etong end na to where you have this branch? Siyempre, ito. So you start numbering from this end. This will be carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your first branch in carbon number 4, and the next branch is in carbon number 5. The side chains in carbon number 4 are again a methyl group, 2 methyl groups, and in carbon number 5, this is now your propyl. Okay, take note of the attachment. Okay, ito, it's the terminal carbon. This is your propyl group. So your parent name should be a decane. Your side chains are methyl and propyl. M and P. According to alphabetical order, M comes before P. So you mention first M, methyl. So it's 4 dimethyl 5 propyl decane.